All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Hey, over here, Brian with Only Wood Floors, Irvine, California, getting ready to hand sand. It's a hand distressed wood floor, but they've got some renovator. It's almost like mop and glow. You should never put it on your floor. Let me turn it around and show you what we're going to be doing. Here we go. So it's going to end up being the beautiful light hickory. Woo. Hey Sam, do you have that bottle?
The bottle?
Yeah.
Of the
Renovator?
No.
Oh man.
You
threw it away, the culprit.
Yeah.
Get this thing to focus. There it is, it's focused in. So most of these dog scratches, one, if you got dogs, you're gonna have scratches, but these show up a lot more only because of the mop and glow shine stuff that Sam put on there. But Sam was like 9 million other Americans and put it on there. All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, still in Irvine, lunchtime. Turn this around and show you what we got done. We don't like doing this. If you call up and you say, Brian, can you do it like you did that house over in Irvine? It's going to be a lot of extra money. Turn this around and let you show what I'm talking about. Because of the furniture, we've had to pull this out, sand and finish, and then put it back. Same thing with the office and the desk. Beautiful desk. Getting ready to put the last coat of finish over here, but look at that. Oh man, American cherry right here. I thought it was the hickory, but it's the American cherry. We're going to sand this down, do one more coat of the Bona traffic satin. But you see the difference. See those scratches that was there from that crazy stuff that they mopped on. And again, remember, I just did a video. Check it out. It's on the YouTube. Can you refinish engineered wood flooring? So we're taking it off paper layer by paper layer. You got these low areas. Now some of those will be so low we don't even try to get them out. We'll do it by hand. But already, look at the difference. Getting ready to start on these steps. We pulled the refrigerator out, finished it, put it back. So this is going to be a new house. A new house, couple of dollars, refinishing the wood floors, and they're going to have everything's going to look so much bigger, so much brighter. Stick around. Good morning, happy homeowners. Back over here in Irvine. Got this hand distressed American cherry, engineered. About 7:30. Let's go and see what they got done yesterday. Turn this around. There we go. So remember they hand distressing, so these are the low areas. So we're going to go back over this a couple of more times, get those out, and again, the ones that we can't get out, we'll do by hand. But got the bathroom area, got the steps and landing almost ready to go, and they're going to paint the risers. So, and that's personal preference. I like the painted risers only because it makes the steps kind of pop, makes them stand out more. This is ready to go. I've got to get the edges. You've seen the video I have on YouTube, shows you how to use that machine. It's fun. Good morning, brother. What's up? There he is. Sam, get in here. Hey man, this is the second day. How's it been going for us?
Looks great.
Yeah.
Happy face.
Happy face. Hey, yeah. Sam's mom found us on the internet, and I was hoping to meet her, Vicky.
She'll stop by.
She'll come by, but yeah, we text back and forth. She sent me pictures, and everything went through her, and then I met this beautiful guy. So anyway, we gotta get busy. Thanks, Sam.
Thank you.
All right, happy homeowners. Let's do this. Got the first coat of finish on. Getting ready to apply the second coat. Look at that. I'm gonna go to the front door so you can see it, but I'm gonna put these the before and after video together. But look at this, man. Oh my God. You couldn't tell it was American cherry. I didn't even know, but look at that. So he's going to, they're putting the house up for sale, and this will I mean, you spend $7,000 on this, it's like increasing the value 70,000. It's unbelievable. 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 Whew. Hey guys, I'm here with Sam. We almost finishing up his house. The guys will be finishing tomorrow. I won't be here. I'll be playing golf, Sam.
Good.
I play golf every Friday since 2001.
That's great. Good.
But how did everything go with us?
Awesome. Very good.
If someone finds us on the internet, would you recommend us?
5-star.
5-star. Is there anything we could have did to make it better?
No. I like hot coffee in the morning.
Free coffee and donuts.
The floors are perfect. It was great.
I appreciate it. Thanks, Al.